My name is Saima Abdul Rahman. I study printed textile surface pattern at Plymouth College of Art. I think my journey sort of began from pre-degree. So when I did an extended diploma in textiles, I found the staff really friendly and the college really appealed to me in terms of like the screen printing facilities, something I'd never done before, so that was the reason. So my work is kind of inspired by Islamic architecture and art. So I've been gathering research from loads of photographs, some that are personal and some that I've kind of like taken myself as well. So that's what it's basically inspired by. And then I've kind of added like a contemporary twist with florals as well. So it's all kind of hand drawn and then taken digitally. I really like the facilities. I think they kind of range for a different variety of different courses. For me, having like the open, light textile print studio is the best. The highlight's probably been kind of taking part in projects, so client briefs, competitions, and also going on the trips. For aspiring artist, designer, maker, it would be to follow your passion and not give up and just be resilient.